Hi everybody, today we're making elderberry syrup. This is super easy to make and you just need 5 ingredients.
The first ingredient is 1 cup of elderberries.
Cinnamon sticks, I add pretty much 2 of them, and at least 20 cloves. Now mix all of this and add 6 cups of water. I did this because the cinnamon and the cloves, they need to boil for a long time, at least 15 minutes, in order for them to release all the scents. And the elderberries, they have to boil for at least 20 minutes. This has to turn into 2 cups.
I ended up boiling this for 45 minutes until the amount of liquid was reduced.
I took all the liquid out, so this is all of it. And as you can see, here are the rest of the elderberries. We are not going to use that. It's just the liquid. So now I'm going to add some honey. I have this Manuka honey, which is very healthy. It's supposed that it's very healthy. So I'm literally going to add all of it to the liquid. So this is pretty much half a cup of honey. So let's try it. Oh, it's good. Now the only thing that you need to do is put it on the fridge and literally take 1 teaspoon of it every single day. Then you can put it on your fridge and try to consume it in less than 5 months.